Same storm system is heading to central Texas now. The primary concern for us, though, is the large hail. So if you have outdoor weekend plans, you want to keep a close eye on the radar today. Last year was particularly expensive when it comes to storm damage, mainly because of hail. Texas led the nation in the number of buildings damaged. According to data compiled by CoreLogic, hail caused more damage across the U.S. last year than tornadoes and straight-line winds. Like the storm that hit Travis and Williamson counties last September, which especially round our hard, which resulted in the costliest hail damage ever. Damages added up to $600 million between those two counties. Earlier that year, storms in the DFW area cost an estimated $7 to $10 billion in insured losses, with 95% of that loss caused by hail. The Texas Department of Insurance has some tips to handle hail. First, file a claim as soon as the storm passes. Take pictures of the damage to your home or your car. Keep a list of everything you speak with at your insurance company, and everybody, I should say, you speak with, and be ready to answer questions about the damage. Be sure to get more than one bid or repair estimate. That will help you decide which offers are too high or too good to be true. You can also avoid fraud by calling the Better Business Bureau to see if your repair company has a history of complaints. And don't pay the full repair bill up front. You'll want to wait until the work is finished.